bag babes, it's your girl Rockstar Rochelle, your virtual 31 consultant. If you're new here, hey! My name is Rochelle. I'm a leader with 31 gifts. If you love the vibe in this tribe, consider subscribing, give this video a big like, and let me know what number like you're down and below, because when we reach 100, guess what? I'm going to pull from the comments a big winner. And as always, ring that bell so you don't miss a upcoming video. This video, I'm going to be talking about changes. I know, changes that are going to be coming up in this new catalog launch, which is happening March 1st. I hope you guys are enjoying the countdown to the spring summer 2022 playlist that I'll be having throughout this channel as a way to get excited for all the newness and the funness that is about to happen. And with all that fun and newness, there is some changes. You bag babes, come to this channel because you always want to know in the know, and I want you to be prepared and you can plan ahead of time. So, I don't know if you know, but in the past couple of years, we had this thing, right? This whole global thing. I'm not going to say it, but you guys know there's been changes everywhere we look. And unfortunately, one of those changes has to be do with shipping, inventory, product. Every time I go out, I see some sign due to lack of staff, lack of inventory, some things may not be available, right? So it goes both ways. Some things are going up. I don't know if you know, the Dollar Tree is no longer called the Dollar Tree. It's a $1.25 store. Depending where you are in this beautiful country, those prices are creeping up. I took this literally a couple weeks ago, and now all of them are at $5, okay? Yes, I know, I'm there with you. It is not fun, but I totally understand. And we also see on the flip side, there are some good things like, babe, Southwest is having a sale, $29 to go almost anywhere. Let's do it. Babe, it's only $250 to take a cruise for 2 weeks. You want to do it? $250. So how are these global changes and shipment and inventory affect you, bag babe, as a 31 fanatic? Well, in the new catalog, you'll be seeing 2 major changes when it comes to prices, okay? Now, 31 always has the best interests of their customers and their consultants. They looked at the metrics, the math, and did all the things, and they try, as always, to give the best for everyone. So there are going to be some price changes, at least 34 items that are going to be going up in price. But don't worry, I have a solution for you. So don't be shocked when you see the new catalog and some of the prices changed. I think we had the last price change was about, I think around 2 years ago, around 2020 with one of the new catalogs. Again, because of that, you know, that was happening. It was 2020. Things had to adjust. Things had to change. There was our price increase, and just like this season, just like this year, with all the other stuff and the rigmarole that we cannot control, the prices are you're gonna see some changes in prices in the catalog. As I was editing this video, I wanted to also note that yes, there'll be some price ups going up, but there are also going to be some items that'll be dropping in prices as well. Just like I said, with everything in the world, things are going up and some things are going down. So take note of those are also going down in price. Said my solution for you is use the 50/50 customer special that we always have. All right. This is the best way where you can go ahead and save big time on some of the products. So for instance, you put $50 in your cart. Guess what? That product that is like a couple dollars more, you'll get it at 50% off. Remember, the 31 system does all the math for you. So you just subtract things into your cart, and it will give you the best deal. And if you haven't noticed, if you haven't shopped in a while, the 31 system will give the biggest item at 50% off, as long as there is a $50 like subtotal in the cart. So that is change number 1, with hopefully a solution tip that will help you shop forward, all right? Always use your 50% off. Next big change that you're going to see is actually happening in the rewards. Our current hostess rewards will stop February 28th. So pro tip, consultant tip out there, if you have a party, if you want to utilize your rewards, if you want those hostess exclusives because they'll be being discontinued for the fall winter, make sure you close that party ASAP, all right? And do not wait until the 28th. I tell my team this, I tell you guys this all the time, do not wait till the last day, because chances are everyone's waiting till the last day, waiting till the last minute. Things are gonna be bombarded when they're trying to call into home office. Home office might be closed, and now what are you gonna do? So do not wait till the next day, all right? 27th must be your hard stop. March 1st with the spring summer launch. You're gonna see a different reward chart right here. The rewards are still going to start at $200, but the credits, the 50% off, and the insider, which are the three amazing things that you totally get. You'll be seeing changes. They look like they're dancing, okay? At the $200 level, you'll get two things. At the $300 level, you get all three rewards. $400 level, still all three. $500 level, things still double, and you unlock that insider special. That's still great. 6, 7, 8 until 1,000. Okay, even at the $1,000 mark, there are some changes. Another post edit add-on with the rewards and with the chart. Yes, there'll be some little changes when it comes to all three types, but did you notice that the 50% off, there's going to be more. They're going to be unlocking. So you're no longer locked in at 2. I think there's up to 3 or 5. You have to take a look at the chart closely, but you'll see that the rewards, actually, you're getting more rewards in this chart. So when you're looking at the catalog, when you're booking that party, make sure you pay close attention to that rewards chart, or make sure you connect with your consultant to make sure you guys are on the same page and to make sure you maximize on that insider reward, all right? I know changes at first is really hard to accept, like, why? No! It's only in our nature that we resist things, but just like everything in life, as the days go on, as time goes on, it kind of becomes a new norm. Have faith that 31 has your best interest at hand. Yes, they may be going up in prices. Yes, the rewards may be changing, but guess what? Being part of that presidential elite committee, I know where they're going at. You're gonna see some deeper discounts when it comes to the insider special. You're gonna see some deeper discounts when they have like pop-up fun stuff like our gift with purchase. You get your free tote, right? They're gonna be playing around, trying to figure out what you guys love and where you guys see the most savings. So have faith that 31 does have your best interest and also has the best interest of us as a consultant, because there are so many ways they can cut that penny. There's so many avenues, but they decided that this is the best route at the lowest percentage so that we all get the max benefit. Friendly reminder, this catalog things are discontinuing and get rid of because we're going to be starting something on March 1st. And so I hope you're enjoying this countdown. We have a new spring little refresh that's going to bridge the two catalogs, okay, that you guys can enjoy within the last few days of February. Monthly mystery hostess is down below. I told you every time I paid up 500, this is a great time to do it now. Things double, things unlock, especially that deep discount. You'll love March's $500 plus special, and you'll also love February's $500 plus special. I mean, it's $30 for 3 big items, okay? So that's an example of the deep discount, all right? If you're loving everything that you're seeing or will be seeing with the spring summer get up, please come on in. Behind the pink curtain, we have a $20 kit that will unlock all the perks with the consultant. You'll get to be joining my team and me. If you choose to do it with me, I would super be honored. I try my best to help you with all your 31 goals, no matter how big or small it is. And I pride myself in being one of the top 3 and onboarding you to a great, amazing start, all right? If the pink curtain, this is not your thing, consider opening up a party link, okay? Connect with me, connect with your consultant, reach your party goals with your own self-shopping, or share it with a couple few friends or family. Again, maybe you want a different kind of party. Reach out to me or your consultant. I'm sure we can come up with something fun that to help you get in on those perks with spring and summer without you having to spend a dime, or at least super cheaply discounted. If you haven't yet, join me, Bag Babe TV on Saturdays. You'll be shopping with me from the spring summer catalog. And if you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button, check out these playlists that I got going for you, and I'll see you in the next video. Ta-ta!